Welcome back to Yummy Cooking with Joy. Today, I'm showing you how I make my apple crumble recipe. This recipe is so delicious. Now, I'm showing you my way, so just go ahead, have fun, and enjoy the video. I'm using 6 apple crisp apples. You can use any apples of your choice. They say the golden delicious are better, but I love these. And I'm gonna thin them slightly because I'm gonna bake them in the oven for 30 minutes. So you can thin them how you like. And I'm also gonna add lemon juice to them too. I'm adding a pinch of nutmeg for extra flavor. I did end up baking this the next day. It was in the fridge, that's why it's got all this extra juice, but you can bake it right away. I am blending 6 digestive biscuits. It's my favorite. I love to add that, and it gives it such a great flavor. You can also do almond slices if you have it. That's a nice touch too. I'm also adding raisins. It's my favorite. It's optional. You don't have to do it, but it gives it a sweet taste. I'm also adding a tablespoon of avocado oil. Everybody knows that's my favorite also. Once you have all your crumble mix, then just start crumble it to the texture you like. "30 minutes later, 400 degree, this is how your apple should look, and just let it cool down for a bit. "25 minutes later, this is my apple crumble. Now you can serve this with your favorite toppings: ice cream, whipped cream, custard. Custard is my favorite. Let me know in the comments what's yours. This was such a delicious and easy recipe. I really hope you try this with your family. Thanks for watching.